go in with your left hand first. What I'm doing is from the cap here, I'm on the extension, I'm coming around to the far position. And then I'm doing and this is true with either one. So if I'm coming in with the right hand, I come into the far position over here. And then I do the anti-spin all the way around. And as I'm going through the anti-spin, the other hand has an opportunity to join in the fun by doing its extension, right? So this is the right entry where I'll come down in the front now, and then my left comes down in the front in the same way. And then this will be my left entry where my left comes down in the front and then my right comes down in the front. So either way, whether you're entering with the right or the left hand, you enter from the extension and you go to the far position and then reversal. And then you can either exit back out into the behind back cap, or you can continue in the hybrid in the front. So here, let me show you in the front view what I meant. From the extension, so I'll do my right, which is this one first. From the extension, it comes across the body. And then this is me going through the hybrid. Or if I wanted to just exit and go back into the cap, I could do that just one time around. And then this would be the left entry. So from there, right? Ooh, that was a terrible entry on the right side. Sorry, let me try that again. And you got the behind the back cap. Now the next step is practicing probably this with each hand. Behind the back, cross, anti-spin, in-spin, anti-spin, come behind the back. So come across, anti-spin, in-spin, anti-spin, reverse, come back behind the back. And then this is the left hand. You come across the body, anti-spin, reverse to in-spin, reverse to anti-spin, and then come back behind the body. So come in, anti-spin, come around, anti-spin again, and now as you come around, go back behind the body. If you drill both of those two, then I imagine you'll just fall into it. Maybe you won't, but I would drill each hand alone. It's a matter of getting comfortable from your split time going in with one of the hands.